i-dredge natin yung ilog dyan sa Kalasyaw. We'll see if maging effective yun, no? But hindi lang Kalasyaw naman lang dapat ma-involve dyan eh. Other LGUs like Dagupan, Santa Barbara, konektado kasi yan eh. Especially yung Pantal, yun sana yung makikiusap tayo sa LGU Dagupan na i-consider din itong river dredging. Okay, so dito sa Agno, it will start anytime soon, but I think the vessels will arrive by tomorrow as reported.
Like mga barco with...
Yeah, mga dredging vessels. Dredging vessels.
With no expense po ang ating pong
Walang expense ang province diyan, walang expense. Kasi ang modality namin is yung tinatawag ng DNR, Department Administrative Order number 7. Yun ang modality. So at no cost sila mag-dredge. Of course, there's gonna be a commercial value for that. And then may share din ang ating lalawigan. Nasa dredging plan nila eh, andun sa exact plan. That was approved by DPWH, DNR, MGB, EMB, and the LGU, the province. Yung tinatawag na form na interagency committee for